Hello everyone, I just want to come on here today and let you guys see what I got from Nail Street Supply. I previously did a video purchasing things from her shop saying that they were closing, and that was like 2 months ago, I want to say. It's in a past video if you guys want to check the stuff that I got out from that point in time. I found her through Instagram, so like the previous video, I'm going to go ahead and put all her socials that I know about on the description part of this video. So as you can see, I'm kind of sitting at my desk here. It's not my nail desk, but it's kind of where I keep my stuff. So I ordered this about a week ago and I got it like 2 days ago. So I just want to make a video before, it takes me a long time to upload things because I don't have a good memory on my phone. But anyways, Nail Street Supply has come back and I ordered a few things. And I want to show you. One of the first things here is Louis Vuitton stickers, nail stickers. And this is in gold. So I got one of those. And I also got another Louis Vuitton nail stickers as well. And it's black and white. So you can probably kind of see it, but in between the spaces right here and up here, there is actually white stickers. And you can't see it because it's on a white background. But if I go like this, I hope you can kind of see that there. So I got one of those. For I don't know what reason, she did close for a little while, but now she's back. And so she's restocked some stuff. She had a grand opening earlier. I think it was earlier this month or last month. I'm not sure, but yeah, she's now back in business. Okay, I've been looking for these, and they're just kind of little charms, and they're different shapes. See, there's a ribbon, moon shape, heart shape, just circle shapes, triangle there. So as you can see, on my thumb size, some of them are small. The heart's a little bit bigger, and they're multicolored. So they come in different colors. So I got that. And I also got a second bag. This one's a little bit brighter. Oh, this one looks like it has a butterfly right there. And I'm holding my phone, so this is why I'm not taking them out of the package here. It's cute. Try to make some different nail designs with those ones. Oh, I did get 2 of these Louis Vuitton black and white stickers. I thought I did, but I wasn't sure. So I got 2 of those, and I think I have one of these already. So I used some of it, so I wanted to not run out. So I used this, or I got a new one. She had some things on clearance, so I don't know if she was just kind of like getting rid of some of her old stock. But I don't have very many charms. So I got some charms that were in her dollar section. And let me see if I can get a close up there. These are very cute. They're brown. The lighting isn't that great to show it, but yeah. And these are kind of big. As you can see, they cover my whole thumbnail. So it'd probably work good on longer sets. So there's that one. Very cute. And I also got these ones in her dollar section as well. Again, I don't know if it's like old stock or something she's just trying to get rid of. And I thought, why not get the bears and then the bunny rabbits? They're cute. Maybe they can go on a set together, or just this as a set and the other one as a set. She has other charms too. I think she has, oh gosh, she has metal charms. She has these plastic charms. She has bigger charms like these. Like, you just got to go on her website. She's got some things on there that I didn't get to purchase this round. I have been looking for some of these for summer, and those are these ones here, which is the cherry charms. They're so cute. Cherry charms, and let me count. 1, 2. There's 5 in a bag. So there's 5 there. And I don't like being uneven. So I got 2 bags. So this one has 5. So I got 10 together. And I forgot how much these ones were, but I'm going to, I have my sales slip, I think, in my email. If not, I'll look it up and I'll put it in the description what these are, what they're called on her website. Probably not these. I'm not sure if she's going to restock these, but I'll do the stickers, these charms, and these other charms as well. So yeah, I know that was a really quick video. Like I said, she's now back in business. I found her on Instagram, so she has a Shopify link on her Instagram, so I'll also put her information on that on there. And the last round, when she was closing and had a closeout sale a couple months ago, I was buying some other stickers and some other items, nail supplies. So I wanted to show you kind of what I've been working on. I'm making this set. I'm trying to make more sets. I actually do have quite a few more, and I think I'm going to make a different short video on the nails that I've done so far, just so you can see. I've done some full coverage press-on nails, and this is just gel nail tips. I was working on this, and so these are the thumbs. And I like to look at everybody's nail shops online, especially on Instagram, because I like to support small businesses. So I myself, and I'm trying to decide if I want to start also something of my own, and that's going to be trying to see if I can do some press-on nails. And so this is going to be like in one package, this all of these. That way I'm not trying to guess, or people are not trying to measure their nails and stuff like that. I just think that's a little bit easier. It might cost a little more to purchase this, but I haven't done a price point or anything like that, so I'm just basically kind of playing around and trying to figure out, you know, like what kind of nails I want to do and stuff like that. So this one is actually long square tips, and in my last video when she was closing, like I said, I purchased some stickers, and these are the stickers that I used from that time. So they were Coco Chanel, and these flowers were from there. This black flower, this Coco Chanel, that one, and those ones. Rhinestones were from a different place. The rest of my nail supplies to make this was from a different place. But yeah, I just want to show you how cute they are, and they do work, her stickers and stuff like that. So they stick and adhere, and I have put a clear coat on these. So yeah, just want to show you again the nail supplies, the little amount that I got from her. So let me know if you've ever shopped from Nail Street Supplies. I think she does also have a YouTube. I myself couldn't find it. Maybe she'll put it up on her Instagram another day. I saw it in one of her stories, but I didn't think to click on it. So I don't know her YouTube, but I will put her shop and everything else on there. And that's all I wanted to show you guys today. So I hope you guys have a good day, and hope you enjoyed this short video of the cute things I've purchased. She also has nail tips, charms. She also has a little boutique. I'll also link that on the bottom. It has jewelry in there. So yeah, it's nice to support her business again. This is only my second time, so I'm excited, and I want to actually look at some more of her charms. So like I said, she did a grand opening. She said she's gonna need to restock some stuff, so but there are some items still on there, so go check it out. And I hope you guys have a good day, and thank you for watching my video.